Today on the table I've got a Moto G4 Plus. And what I'll be doing with this one is just a simple battery replacement. I've already taken off the back cover on this one, which you should just be able to dig a fingernail in one of the corners and lift it up from there. Once you've got the back cover off, the majority of, or nearly all the screws you will encounter on the back plastic will be T5. So pretty much from there it's just simply a matter of going through and taking out all of them, which I found on this particular model there is quite a lot of them. Definitely seems to be a trend of that particular age of phone, where they put as many screws in everywhere to hold it down. Granted, I feel like only half them are really necessary. Another drama I did have with it was that some of the screws did get stuck. So you could either try and get them out with a pair of tweezers, or if you have no luck from there, you could just leave them in there until you pry off the back completely. So with it, I'm pretty close to having it removed. There we go, now got the back plastic off. Now I'm just disconnecting the battery off a pair of tweezers and just slowly getting it out of the groove that it lives in. The battery itself doesn't have very much adhesive on it at all, especially compared to most iPhones where you've got to bend and destroy the battery to get it out. This one lifted out with relative ease. Bingo, one battery removed. From here I did get another battery, which I did notice the actual cable on it was a decent length longer than the one I've just pulled out. So I'd say that this is used in quite a few different models of the Motorola series around the same era. I'll start with just by clipping it in, then from there I'll figure out how and where to route the power cable, and it's a matter of reinstalling it all afterwards. So it turns out on this one, I did advise the customer replacing the battery probably won't fix it. Turned out it didn't. The mainboard I believe has a short on it which is generating an excess amount of heat underneath one of the shields higher up. I can get the Motorola logo but no further. So this one's pretty much, from here goes to the unrepairable pile, or the non-cheap repair pile. So here, yep. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.